Okay, congratulations.
Shomadrita.
Shomadrita, Jyota Mazur Hatali. I want Shomadrita in stage right now.
I don't know the lyrics.
Yeah,
I
why?
have the lyrics.
Okay, we will join. The audience will join. Right, audience. You can help forward. আমরা এই দেশে জানি খামোশিয়া song the lyrics. But Ajit Singh, please. Thank you. Yeah. The feeling that please go away. Hathari should be Sadhu Shoman. This is here and this is Hossein Ghosh with Shan and Chol Chahul. I was Jure Hathari Chanse guitar is there. So you give us it. तुम आगे बोल दीजिए तुम्हें बोल दीजिए क्या बोले नहीं तुम्हें बोले जो क्या बोले नहीं भूल भुलैया आते हैं भूल भुलैया यादों के मेरे please have open us because we have a gift for you. Please come on the side. And guys, are you ready for the next song? Are you ready for the next song, Kolkata? This is Asian Pitch Sadhu Shoman Ara. Can we have the next song? So this is the next song. We have to guess the song. Which song is this? Let's try the song. Acha, there will be a song. You have to guess the next line. Next line, the key answer. Let's try. Okay. Sure. Sorry for that. It's a song.